my name is Willow and I'm from Little London Ballet and I'm going to teach you how to pose a turn today. With posing turns, there's lots and lots of things to think about. First thing, we have to spot our head. Pick something on your wall to look at. The object has to be about the level of your eyes. Focus on the object, turn and flip your head around. This is how dancers don't ever get dizzy. Your arms will help you turn third to first, third to first. When you turn, you must have a strong